Today I'm going to show you how to do multiplication in such a way where you show your work, get the right answer, and you don't have a lot of stress because you're only dealing with small numbers, okay? So work with me on this one. If you had 724 times 563, you look at it and you would do the math and you get the answer. But if you didn't show your work, your teacher will say, well, I need to see the work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you get the answer by showing the work, okay? So I'm going to erase this. And then come back and break it down one by one. Let's go. 7 times 5 is 35. And then we go 5 times 2 is 10 plus 7 times 6 is 42. So it's going to be 52. And line up that way. Next, we're going to go 5 times 4 is 20. 7 times 3 is 21. That's 41 plus 12. And that's going to be 51, 53. So put down the 5 here, 3 here. Next, we're going to go 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 2 times 3 is 6. 24 and 6 is 30. Put it down like this. And then finally, 4 times 3 is 12. Put the 1 here and the 2 here. Now you've got a line of numbers you can just add up. And 2, 1, 6, 7, 0, 4. That's the answer again. And as you can see here, by doing just the small numbers, one by ones, putting it together, lining it up properly, you show your work, you see how each one is done, you get the right answer, and there's no stress. It wasn't thinking about, putting this on top, saving this, and having to do a lot of numbers in your head. No, it's all done here on paper for the most part, and you just get the answer. So you start to understand how math works, how numbers cooperate, how they line up, and how the answer is done. And you're starting from the left, going to the right. Okay. Another reason we do here is because sometimes numbers carry, but you can still do either way you want. But this is a really quick way, and it's effective, and it shows math proficiency that you can go on and on. So practice this here, learn this, and you will make great grades, but you also have practical applications for applied math.